Welcome to Relivion. We're excited to join you on the path to total migraine pain freedom. The Relivion MG is a new category of neurostimulation medical technology that targets the major nerve pathways in the brain associated with migraine. This sophistication in engineering means your experience will be unlike any other treatment you may have tried. This technology is the first of its kind, so there is a learning curve. It requires you to invest and really commit to the therapy. Results will vary for each patient. Some might take a couple of days and some a few weeks. Just remember, lasting progress takes time, so we ask that you remain patient and really commit. But don't get discouraged, because once you've got it down, you'll be able to potentially change the way you manage migraine with a one-of-a-kind drug-free treatment.
Now that you've received your Relivion device, it's time to get prepared for your fitting. Grab the device and familiarize yourself with it. You'll see a main button in the center to power the device on and off, a plus and minus button to control intensity, 2 indicators for device status and battery life. At the bottom of the device, you will find your serial number used for activation and the charging socket. The arms of the device are adjustable, and you can expand or retract by using the buttons right above the arm. You will see dots and numbers on the inside of the arms indicating size. The dots represent half size. On the front of the device, there are 4 small electrodes and 2 large ones on the back. This is where the pads included with your device will be placed. There are 3 major points on ensuring your device works to its full potential. We call them the 3 Ps: placement, pads, pressure. First, we'll start with placement. Start by setting the device arm as a baseline fitting. Let down your hair and remove any accessories from your face and head. Make sure your forehead is clean of any product like lotion or makeup. Open the magnetic clasp and place the tips of the arms above your ears and push back so that they penetrate under your hair and stay close to your scalp. The magnetic clasp on the back should close securely and the device should fit tight. If it does not, adjust your size accordingly. Make sure to keep the front of the Relivion device above your eyebrows to accurately target the nerve branches. Keep the rear clasp above the occipital bone on the back of your head. To find it, run your hand up the back of your head until you find a prominent bump. Then make sure the device is clasped slightly above it. Next, let's take a look at the pads. Before placing the device on your head, insert each pad into the device, 4 in the front, 2 in the back. Spray each front pad 5 times and each rear pad 10 times. After spraying, wait a few seconds, then press down on the pads for sufficient absorption. When the device is on your head, be sure to press the back electrode covers to release moisture. This area is important, so make sure there is enough water. It's important to remember, the wetter the pads, the better. You can always wipe off excess water. Sufficient water is key to comfortable stimulation. Next, we'll move on to pressure. Make sure the device is making as close contact as possible. The device needs to feel very tight so that the pads make contact to the skin. And now you've got the right fit. You can also use the app to walk you through the fitting. If you've walked through these steps and your device gives you an error, check the 3 Ps again: placement, pads, and pressure. And if you're still having trouble, please contact customer support.